Then other people transportation will really take us tourist attraction in Colombia. Let's ride the cable car and take the train for like $1 and let me give you guys the lore. Now before I get into it, as long as you can read, write and follow instructions, you'll be just fine. Just follow the metro cable. And y'all know I'm coming to share a little information about the cable cars, right? Man, I just bring it on with me. Now you might be wondering what's so special about a cable car? Why everybody taking it? Well, it was a brilliant urban transit solution that connected the marginalized communities on the steep hillside to the city center. The people just say, yeah man, physics, straight line, you'll get to where you're going quicker. It significantly reduced travel time and it lowered crime rates, and it even boosted economic opportunities and social inclusion. Like everybody could have access to the city. As you can see in the mountains, there are different stations with different stops so people can get on, get off as they please. Like everybody's connected. Can you imagine if you actually had to drive around or even through this mountain to get to work or to get home? That would be ridiculous. And fun fact, this goes over Comuna 13, the area that I toured in my previous video. Anyway, we were finished, we went back and forth and it's time to go. We decided to take the train back to where we're going. We didn't have to pay any additional money, and that's one of the reasons why I'm so impressed with their transportation system. Pretty similar to the more developed countries. People, why we reach on a train to San Antonio? Do we know where we are? No. Do we know where we're going? I have an idea. Let's wait and find out. Don't just travel, learn the history. Bye.